Today we come up with a beautiful home that everyone wants with fascinating interior and exterior. It is a renovation work and built over 10 years ago. The house is built 10 feet above the main road, so we were able to give the roadway and beautiful landscaping. The house has been remodeled in a colonial style. Landscaping is done on the back as well. The fruit trees are planted here. Everything could be done in a fruitful while housewarming. Interior works of this home is done in combination of contemporary and colonial style. Vast spaced lanyard is done attractively with good atmosphere. No extra thickness pillars are used here at the exterior. It is the one of main attraction of this home. An exterior wall is decorated with the horizontal grooves and engraving design. Porch is designed at the front area of sit-out with more pillars with amazing engraving design. Moving on, we can see a vast spaced stylish sit-out. Complete wall of the sit-out is decorated with stylish wall tiles. Ceiling works are done attractively. LED spotlights and hanging bulbs are bring amazing look to sit out. Let's go for checking the interior designs. Living area is placed at the right side. Vast spaced awesome living area is arranged here. Beautiful wooden style sofa sets are arranged here. Near to this living area we can see another open style sitting area. Grills are used instead of the wall, so we get fresh air and peaceful view. Glass door is used in between this two living area. Ceiling works are completely done by using wooden materials. Moving on straight, we entering into the dining area. Stylish wooden table and chairs are arranged here. There is a way to entering directly from the outside to the dining room. Grill and glass doors are used here, so it helps to more visibility and eye-soothing view. Let's check the all interior settings. Near to dining, a washing room is designed. Unlike other washing areas, there is storage space available. Beautiful wash basin and stylish mirror are set here. This is the first bedroom. Let's check the interior works. All arrangements are done very attractively and neatly. Ceiling works are done elegantly with LED spotlights. Next we are going to check the second bedroom. Let's see all the beautiful arrangements. This is the third bedroom with attached bath. Beautiful double cot bed and more wardrobes are arranged here. Stylish curtains and a study area bring the modern look to bedroom. prayer room is designed near the dining area. Next we going to check the kitchen. Fabulous arrangements are done in kitchen. More storage cabins and racks are arranged here. Beautiful color combination of flooring and wall tiles are used here. And a small table with chairs are arranged here. All arrangements are done very neatly and attractively. Near the kitchen we get a working area. Fireplaces and gas area are arranged in work area. Shelves, racks, washing area and other arrangements are done in working area. So kitchen is always look very clean and attractive. LED spotlights and hanging bulbs are bring the extra elegant look to the interior work. So we get the simply awesome feel. Modern style wooden staircase is designed here with glass with wooden frame railing. Moving on, we entering the fabulous upper living area. Beautiful sofa sets and a tea table and TV units area arranged in this vast spaced living area. Two bedrooms are designed in first floor. This is the first vast spaced stylish bath attached bedroom. Wardrobes and beautiful curtains are arranged here. The second bedroom also like the previous one, and all arrangements and ceiling works are done same as the previous ones. This is the balcony area. Exterior wall is decorated with horizontal grooves line design. The view down from the balcony is breathtaking. Now we completely check all the parts of this amazing home. The renovation work has been done beautifully here. Thanks for watching our video. Please share your valuable comments with us in comment box.